Today we're going to install the Ionic 3-inch Nerf bars on our 2021 F-150 crew cab. For this installation, we'll be using a ratchet with a 1/2 inch and a 3/4 inch socket. Make sure you're subscribed to stay up to date on all our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're underneath the truck on the driver's side. The first step is to find the front bracket location. Follow the pinch well all the way up to your front tire. You're going to see 3 studs. Take your plastic washers and you're going to attach one of those to each of the stud. Do that to the other 2 bracket locations. All right, our next step is to attach the front driver's side bracket. So go ahead and find that in your box. It's going to look like this. It sticks out towards the front of the truck. Find your 8mm washer and lock nut and tighten those hand tight. Don't tighten this down all the way, just by hand for right now. You're going to want some room for adjustment. All right, follow the pinch well down to our middle mounting location. Grab your middle bracket. It's going to look like this. They're the same for both sides, so you don't have to worry about them getting mixed up. You're going to attach this using a flat washer and a lock nut, just like the other one. And just like the other one, you're going to do this hand tight for right now. All right, we're going to follow the pinch well down to our 3rd mounting location. It's going to install just like the rest of them. Grab your rear bracket and it's going to stick out towards the rear of the truck. With your brackets loosely installed, go ahead and grab the driver's side board. It's going to be marked driver's side. Get you a large bolt with a lock washer and then a flat washer. And you're going to loosely install that. And we're going to do the same thing to the front. With the board loosely installed to our rear and front brackets, we're going to find our middle mounting location. Bring the board up, find the hardware for that middle location, and we're going to loosely install this as well. Next, we're going to tighten down our board to our brackets. We're going to start with the front, then go to the rear, and then go to the middle. You're going to use a 3/4 inch socket. Lastly, we're going to tighten down all 3 brackets to the truck using a 1/2 inch. All right, now all you got to do is the exact same thing on the other side, and that will conclude the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.